Hello. Okay. So this is another video of me recording my process on the university project. Haven't recorded anything for a few weeks now because I was sick the whole last week and have a lot of catching up to do this week. I have to catch up on all the other subjects, so haven't got any time to work on this. But the week before that, I do manage to work on a little bit on my game. Actually, a lot. So I'm gonna summarize them all in this video. Well, firstly, I make a no, not make. I improve on my combating system. So I make a let me see stat. Yeah, I make a stat script. Well, actually, most of these are following the RPG tutorial on Brecky channel. You can go there to have it explained to you better. But basically, I make a public class called stat. This is where I store the value to each stat and the modifier, which can be changed by weapon, by equipment and buff, something like that. So I have a get value function which multiply, which combine the base value with the modifier. Yeah, with each modifier. So actually I have a list of modifiers, not just one. And I have a function to add modifier and remove modifier. And another script is the character stat, which store all the stat. Here's the stat I make so far, and his health. Health stat gonna get modified by health. No, yeah. I mean, health not gonna get any modifier, so it doesn't have to be a stat, just a float value. Max health do get modifier though, so it is stat. And here in this character stat, I have initialize health a function to take damage, reduce damage by armor value, and it, I make a and I also make a delegate that call each time the character or damage. So from this character stat, I create the two other script: enemy stat and player stat. Enemy stat just override the die function. Haven't make anything yet. I'm gonna make this in the future. Implement this function in the future. So in the player start, let's see, what did I do here? Oh, yeah, on which bench. Yeah, so this is the inventory stuff that I mentioned later. Here, just have it override die function. These will be mentioned later when I get to it. So from the character start script, I make a characters combat script that have character start as a element. So what this do? This script have a deal damage function, a attack function, which so I change the way that the player attack. That the player now attack just like a enemy. They have a attack post game object which have a collider attached to them, and each time it attack, they just this component get enabled and then disable the shot. a few moments later, a few seconds, no, not a few seconds, a moment later, yeah, I think so. I'm not good at English. Let me see what else can I talk about. Yeah, here, I enumerator to disable the collider after a short period of time. Here I default to 0.1 second. This may change later, but I don't know yet. Yeah, so that's all for the combat. Now it's time to player attack. Let's go here. Time to press attack. So instead of attaching the collider, the hitbox to the actual weapon, I just create a sphere collider in front of the character. Here, you can see it better this way. So why did I do this instead of the other way? So because well, before this I attach a collider, a capsule collider to the weapon, and because of the nature of the ship, sometimes it hit the enemy twice because it is a capsule. So when the weapon swing, let me see, the why this disable? Yeah. So when the sword is too fast, I will slow it down. Basically, yeah, when this thing swing around, sometimes it hit the enemy twice if they are close. Yeah, this part here sometimes hit the enemy twice, and try to mess around with it, try to fix it, but I think that for simplicity I just make a vehicle item appear in front of the player when they attack. That will be more consistent, I hope. So that's for the combat system. Yeah, I think so. And another thing is I make a wait, no, what? I have to disable the enemy first. And also create a inventory system. Okay, press F to bring it up. Yeah. Mm, okay, now, yeah. Okay, so this is the inventory system. Does it look good? It doesn't even look look. I know it doesn't look good, but it's just testing phase, so I don't really care about it. So here, the item here will be here, and here is the equipment. And I want to show the character model with the equipment over here. So here are the 3D weapon, the equipment that I make. Okay, when you look at them, there's a text that pop up. Let's say press E to pick up. So you press E to pick them up. Now if you press F, here the item. Rather just random sprite I found Unity. But when you left click them, you quit. Yeah, and you click here, they unquit. If you quit at the same quit the equipment of the same type, they got replaced. Yeah. Yeah. So this system is quite complicated to explain, and so I just won't explain it. Fuck it. I'm too lazy. If you want to know more about this, go to Breaky channel. So wait, how do you Breaky? Yeah, here, this is channel. You have a lot of good tutorials. Okay. So that's all. See ya.